Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to fix a dented fender, bumper or any other plastic part. For this process we'll need a kettle with hot water. Gently pour the water over the dent, but do it carefully so as not to melt or warp the plastic. Keep pouring more water onto the dent until the indentation finally pops back out flush and you hear a characteristic sound. This method works on any plastic part that has been dented but hasn't cracked. That includes bumpers, wheel arches, fenders, etc.
Magic!